it's Ann Hess with BFit. Oh my goodness, it's week 4. Shut the door! Yes, it's week 4 of our God Goals Accountability Program. What are your goals for this week? Are you on track? If you're not on track, today is Monday. Monday is a great day to start fresh, and every day is a great day to start fresh as soon as you wake up. It's a brand new day with new opportunities. It's a clean slate. So what could you be doing to get you closer to your goals? Here's one great thing. Today's workout. Tone it all with this total body overhaul. Once again, always working total body. We got some fun exercises. We're using med ball, dumbbells, and a mat you will need. Where's my med ball? Are you ready? We're going to be doing, let's just say, about 30 seconds to 45 seconds for each exercise. In our live class, we will be doing about a minute, but I'd like to see you hit more angles, get more muscle groups involved, so we're going to go a little bit shorter. But here's the thing, you can always pause it and go longer, or go through it 2 times. All right, so we're going to start with 7 fast squats, 7 fast mountain climbers, and we're going to continue until time is up. Are you ready? Here we go. 7 fast squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to 7 fast mountain climbers, but you can do them at a higher surface like this. 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Next round, I'll take it to the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it to the ground. And for those of you that want to do the full version, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's finish this one. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Nice. That is exercise 1 in set 1. Next up is dumbbell curl, squat, press. Are you ready? Catch your breath. Nice deep breath. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Curl, squat, press. Back to start. Curl, squat, press. Back to start. Curl. Talk yourself through it. And then press nice and high. Curl, squat, press. Curl, squat, press. Curl, squat, press. 10 more seconds. Curl, squat, press. Curl, squat, press. And 5. We're getting one more in. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Curl, squat, presses. All right. We're going to be doing 3 touch jumps, 3 touch presses. Follow my lead. We'll start with the touch presses. In 3, 2, 1. Touch the ground. Up and press. 1, 2, 3. Set it down. 3 touch presses. 1, 2, 3. Pick them up. We're going to touch the ground and press up again. Touch. 1, 2. Nice and tall. 3. Now touch jumps. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. Let's get through this one more time, okay? Touch, press. 1, touch, press, touch, press. 3 touch jumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. All right. All right. Grabbing both of your dumbbells. We're going to do in-out squat swings. So it looks like this. I don't think we've done this yet together. Squat swing in, squat swing out. Squat swing in, squat swing out, okay? That's what we're doing. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Touch the ground. Up and press. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. Let's get through this one more time, okay? Touch. 1, 2, 3. Nice and tall. 3. Now touch jumps. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weigh 2, 1. 1. Out. Keep that posture. Bend those knees. Between your legs. Out your legs. Outside of your legs. Holding your core tight. Working your legs. Nice. Shoulders, total body. Come on. Coming up on 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. All right, shake it out. Now we're doing a deadlift, reverse curl, squat, and a press. Okay? Here we go. Boy, time flies when you're having fun. Remember that deadlift is keeping that weight nice and close to your body. Deadlift, you're going to come up to here, reverse curl it, and then squat press it. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Deadlift, the weight goes back. You're pushing your butt back. Come all the way up. Reverse curl, squat, press. Back to start. Deadlift, all the way up. Reverse curl, squat, press. Deadlift, stick that butt out. Reverse curl, squat, press. I know there's always a lot of squatting. Why is that? Because those are big muscles. They burn a lot of calories. Deadlift, reverse curl, squat, press. Deadlift. Let's get 2 more. Come on, 2 more. Good form. Deadlift, reverse curl, good squat, and press. 1 more. Deadlift. Nice, good posture. Up, shoulders back, and press. Nice. All right, that is set 1. Okay. Whew. All right. Now we got something new and different. You're basically doing a squat press and a lateral hip raise. Squat press with one arm, lateral hip raise using the weight on this side. We're going to do this side first. You choose left or right first. So it looks like this. Squat. I'm going to press with this arm, a lateral raise with that leg, and we're going to stay doing the same thing over and over. Squat, press, lateral hip raise, squat, press, lateral hip raise. Say that 3 times real fast. Then we'll switch sides. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Squat. You're pressing with a lateral hip raise. Squat. You have to use core stability here. Holding that body tight. We're working shoulders, legs, hips. Whew. We're only going to do like 30 to 40 seconds on each side. All right. Squat. Squat. Keep going. You got to keep that on for us. Let's get 2 more. Squat. Press. Press the lateral raise. All right, now shake that off. We got to go to the other side. We're going to squat, press, lateral hip raise. Squat, press, lateral hip raise. Squat, press, squat, press, squat, press, squat. Come on, we got this. Squat. I love, and you guys probably can figure this out, multi-movement exercises because they're big calorie burners. 1 more. Squat, press, lateral hip raise. Very nice. Very nice. Now, we're doing med ball exercise. We're going to do a high knee pull, med ball lunge, pass, and press, and keep alternating sides. So it looks like this. High knee pull, lunge, pass, press, high knee pull, lunge, pass, press, okay? tiny pull. Other side, lunge, pass, tiny pull, lunge, pass, press, tiny pull. Pull, lunge, keep going. You have to go a little longer because we got both sides we're working here. Pull. Sorry, that was lame. Pass. Press. Tiny pull. Lunge. Tiny pull. Lunge. Tiny pull. We got at least one more each side. Come on. Pull. Nice. Nicely done. All right. Now, we have alternating prisoner squats, elbow to knee. Here we go. Are you ready? It's going to look like this. Prisoner squat, elbow to knee. Prisoner squat, elbow to knee. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Prisoner squat. Boom. Prisoner squat. Boom. You got this. Working those obliques. Come on. Reach. Reach. 15 more seconds. 10. I know. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Squeeze. Nicely done. Now, we have squat throws. Are you ready? In 3, 2. You've done these before. Squat. Throw, grab it, squat, throw, squat, throw. Really thrust it up there. Squat, throw, squat, throw. Squat, throw. Come on, 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, right on the bunny. Right there. Nice. All right. Now, dumbbell squat, cross with a raise. We are almost done. When I just get a couple of these. So, when you come down, you're going to squat, cross them, and then come up high. Switch sides. High body, squat, cross with a raise. Okay? Here we go. 3, 2, cross as you go down. Take your time coming up. Keep the weight in close. Switch, coming down, cross, raise. Stop that. Raise, squat, raise. Cross it, squat, raise. Let's go, guys. Sorry about the cheerleading squad. Whew. Let's do it like that. Come on. 10 seconds. 5, 4, one more. 3, 2, 1. Nicely done. All right. We're going to let's do this. We're going to be just about done here. We're going to do half squat burpee with 3 dumbbell curls. Okay? 3s and 3s. So you need your weights with you. He wants to play ball. Do you see that? Go get it, buddy. He's going to be back. All right, 3 half squat burpees. They look like this. Right to here. Okay, we're gonna do 3 of those and 3 curls. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Half squat burpee. 1. Stay low, baby. 2, 3. Now grab your weights. 3 curls. 1, 2, 3. Half squat burpee. Since we're running out of time, we're gonna do triceps this time. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weight. Either one or both. Press it high. We're going to do triceps. 1, 2, 3. Half squat burpee again. This time with curls. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. Up nice and tall. 3 curls. 1, 2, 1 more. Gotta get in one more set of triceps. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Grab your weights. 3 triceps. Let them come down your back. 1. Elbows tight. 2 and 3. Whew. Tone it all with this total body overhaul. Thank you for participating. We are about 18 minutes in, 19 minutes in. This is week 4, workout number 1. Hang in there with me, post your goals, set goals, work towards those goals. See you in a couple of days for week 4, workout number 2. Take care, have a great 2 days. Bye-bye.